Umintri rang ba kecela konrad kesang ma ula Pynthikna ba jingkem bat pengat ha pynsajia ya ki brio ki badon keti ha shot bat penshit ki ba pynkulmar Tura kan shong bet thik kat kum ki sakhi satar. Hindrei ukonrad ula kiar pat ban tho ha kalyang ka kamsan perthai halor kani kulmar bat jingher thama ya Chief Minister Office Tura kat ba udang ya shong jingalang bat kiseng balang banya sulok halor ka dawa winter capital bat jingpentri kam ya ka roster system nadu kisnem balalit no. Ulaong bakino giban shakem kan shong betik halor ki sakhi satar.
As I said, I don't have the exact number with me, but yesterday's numbers are close to 40. But I don't have the exact numbers with me. And as I said that for me, don't look at political affiliation. I'm purely going by the evidence of who was present there. The videos are circulating everywhere for everybody to see, and Facebook posts are coming out from individual accounts, and hence based on clear black and white evidence, only based on that arrests are being made. And as I said, I have from day one, I have not mentioned anything about political parties, and I refrain from doing that because that's not the way I would like to look at this situation. As I said, this is something that concerns all of us, because this is not the way our society has been. We have always had protests, we have always had situations where people have had peaceful dharnas or fasting, but never have they gone ahead and attacked the people, let alone attacking officials, attacking the police, and attacking the chief minister. This has not happened, and this kind of culture is not there, and therefore it's a serious matter from that angle. And that's why for me, I refrain, and I've never looked at it from any political angle. I'm purely going to stick to the culprits and the individuals, as I said, who are on record. It's not even that they're just doing it randomly. Videos are there, and individual statements are there, and proof is there based on which these arrests have been made.
So, since political parties are questioning the government for giving political color to this whole episode, are you open for independent proof to this, so that everything will be?
We'll wait for the initial reports that come in, and yes, if there is necessary, because as I said, if you look at the whole situation, if the NGOs are saying these were not their people, then who were these people? So obviously there has to be some kind of a system to find out who was there, who are these people, and what was their intention. So therefore, yes, initially, prima facie, there looks like a very kind of a complicated situation, and which may require further investigation. But at this point in time, I would say that let the police do its job, and then we will see how to move forward.
The police are blamed as being the agents of the government.
It's easy to put blame on anybody, and police was doing their duty. They defended whoever was inside there. They were defending the NGOs, leaders who were inside, who could not leave, who were also with me. They could not go out because they were also being attacked. So tomorrow somebody could say that the police are the agents of the NGO also. So you can come to any kind of conclusion and connect two dots. That is something that I have no comment on. As I said, I'm repeating myself. The police will go ahead with the investigation and with the actions based on evidence and nothing else.
So after police, when you arrive at the spot, how many thousand people are there? What was the mood of the people when you arrived?
When I was entering, I could not count the people, but numbers looked anywhere between 500 to about 700 people. That's what I would assess. I could be wrong. It's just on my basic assessment. But after I entered, I was told the numbers swelled up and went to close to 1,500 people, to maybe even 2,000 people. But this is purely on the basis of just what people told me. But as I said, and my assessment also, and I said I could be wrong, I would say that I saw about 500 to 700 people standing. And they were standing there on the roadside. They did not do anything. And I went in quite smoothly. But of course, they were on both sides of the road, so it was quite a large number. and there were some people behind and also